Hey there, this is your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, and I have your product picks and preview for you for Campaign 6 of 2019. Campaign 6 is, as you can see, one of our two big sale books for the campaign, and this is where we have a lot of our clearance, while supplies last, final sale items on sale, up to 65% off. So there are a ton of items in here from previous seasons that maybe you didn't get a chance to buy then, or that you were maybe hoping for a sale. So now's your chance, but remember, everything in the sale pages is while supplies last and final sale. So you want to, snatch it up real quick when you see it. There are quite a few things, especially in the clothing and jewelry, that I have featured in previous picks and preview videos. So if you see something in the Campaign 6 brochure or on the online store that you might be interested in, want to know if it was featured in a video, just shoot me a message or comment on the video there, and I can let you know if it was in a previous video and get you a link to that video so you can see that, because there's actually quite a bit in here that I featured in previous videos. Just on the very first page, I have this dress and this tunic. Just those two, just on the very first page. So lots of the clothes and stuff. Some of the clothes going in the second page there. So lots and lots of clothing, accessories, things from, like I said, from previous seasons are limited edition items that there might be some left of. So all while supplies last, you'll want to jump on those real quick if you want to get them before they're gone. So Campaign 6 will be up on my online store from Tuesday, February 19th through Monday, March 4th. So February 19th through March 4th is when Campaign 6 will be the current brochure featured on youravon.com/carnold. And if you want to flip through the pages of the virtual brochure, when you go to that website, youravon.com/carnold, just click brochures in the upper right hand corner. It's on the menu across the top, and that'll take you right to the current brochure, plus all of the sales flyers, like our outlet. A lot of these clearance items are featured throughout the year in our outlet brochures. Those are, of course, always clearance while supplies last, final sale items, but you can always see the current outlet brochure if you click on brochures on that website. I do, however, have one returning favorite to share with you at the end, and some of the new jewelry. Now, I'm trying something a little bit new because, of course, those of you who've been watching the videos for a while know sometimes it's really hard to get a clear view of some of the jewelry items if I'm holding it up to the camera. So what I did was I took pictures of all of the different jewelry items in that, and so I'll be kind of switching out from this live video type video to the pictures of those items. So hopefully you can get a little bit better view. So first up, we have, find my first bookmark here. We have our Spring Moods collection, and this is just gorgeous. Very pretty pearlesque and pink stones. And I did get one piece from this collection. I got the Spring Pearlesque pendant necklace, and that's the necklace. So now I will switch over to the picture to show you that. So this is the up close picture of the pendant. It is an 18-inch long gold tone chain, and it does have a 3.5-inch extender, so you can kind of adjust that length to the perfect length for you. And it does have that pearlesque stone in the middle, your pink petals, and then the rhinestones around the outside between the petals there. So really, really pretty piece. I really like that one. Next up, we've got the Perfectly Pave collection, and this is a multicolor paved pendant necklace, earrings, bracelet, and stackable rings. And I did get the bracelet, and I will show you how the style of the bracelet, and then I'll show you the picture, the close-up. So it has the bar with the multicolor, almost kind of like an ombre effect. It goes from a light purple through a darker purple, a blue, and then like an aqua. And you'll see that in the close-up picture. And then it's got the silver tone chain, and it's got this little ball that moves back and forth on the chain to give you a looser or a tighter fit. So I'll show you how that looks on. So you put that on, and then you just slide the ball up the chain there and get a little bit tighter fit. If you've got a smaller wrist, or you let it out for a bigger wrist. So it's a very loose, delicate little bracelet. So now I'll show you the close-up picture on that. So here you can see the close-up detail with the different shades as it moves through those on the pave effect on the bar. And then also how the back is, how the fastener, it's not really a fastener, it slips over and then adjusts to your perfect length. This campaign, we have some beautiful new sterling silver rings. This is actually, sterling silver rings is probably the #1 piece of our jewelry that I have. I have so many of the sterling silver rings. I just really, really love them. Believe it or not, I did not get the purple cocktail ring. Those of you who've been watching the videos for a while, you kind of have an idea how I feel about purple. If you couldn't just guess by looking at me, I actually did not get the purple ring this time. I'm so sorry to all my fellow purple lovers out there that I don't have that one to show you. But I do have the CZ Twist, not the CZ Twist band ring, the CZ Crossed Layers band ring. And then I do have the CZ Twist band ring and engagement ring that you can see, you can actually stack those together and make an engagement set out of. So I'll show you the close-up pictures on those. So this one is the CZ Layers, Crossed Layers ring. And then I also took the picture, on the finger to show that it's, kind of a bigger profile on that ring there. It's flat and dainty, but also fills that space between the first finger and knuckle. This one's the CZ Twist band ring. And you can see it's got that twist where the one part is this plain silver tone, the other part is a pave, and then you can combine that with, this is the engagement ring by itself, and it has that same twist, but with the it is a 1 carat CZ on there, and then you can combine them together, and this is what they look like stacked together. They make a beautiful engagement set. And then I do also have the picture here with it on the hand to show kind of the scale. It's a very pretty dainty set. It's not too thick. So that's all the different jewelry that I picked up this time. Did want to share, we have another of our Be a Role Model stories in the brochure, and this time it's Taylor, who's been a representative for just a couple of years now, just started in 2017. She shared she was a customer first, and then she got the opportunity to become a representative, and that really kind of opened up some new doors for her. She got to take the first first vacation on her passport that she had taken in 10 years. And she just really enjoys encouraging others to achieve their goals as well. So I just wanted to share another, kind of representative story for you, let you know kind of what it's like being an Avon representative. So, and one of the most fun things we get to do as Avon representatives is when a product that has previously been discontinued and we have customers that really, really miss it, sometimes we get to share with those customers that their favorite product is back by popular demand. This campaign, we are reintroducing our ultra luxury liner pencils. We have brow defining pencils, eyeliners, and lip liner pencils in these. And they are the kind of traditional wooden eyeliner that you can see there. And so, of course, we also have our 3-in-1 pencil sharpener featured with those. So we have, 4 shades in the brow pencils. I actually didn't get any of those as demos because they're just basically your 4 basic eyebrow shades. So you've got the soft black, dark brown, light golden brown, and blonde in those. So that's the top row of colors there. I also didn't get the black in the eyeliner because everybody kind of knows what black eyeliner is going to look like. I did get 4 of the shades in the eyeliner and all 6 shades in the lip liner. So these are kind of some of the shades we have in the lip liner. And I do have a picture to share with you of those 2 that I took that I'll show you in just a moment. And then these are the shades with the eyeliners. And of course, we've got the dark brown, eggplant, emerald, and sky blue. We have that beautiful sky blue that you'll get to see in just a moment and see how that looks. So I've got a lot of customers that are going to be really happy that these are back. Granted, Glimmer Sticks is our best selling eyeliner. That's actually the one that most people go to and that they come to Avon for. But a lot of people do really like these traditional eyeliner pencils. They like being able to sharpen them, but they're also kind of like a nice soft texture. They're not, they're a little creamier, I think, than the glimmer sticks are. So they're very blendable if you like to do a blendable eyeliner shade. You know, all of our eyeliners do blend to some degree, but these are probably more blendable. And if you want a softer look, then these would be good for that. So I will show you the pictures of the colors here. These are the eyeliner shades. I had a little fun just writing the color names on there since I wasn't going to show you as I drew them on. And then these are the lip liner shades. So perfect shade to go with any lip color that you might have. So that's all I have for you this campaign. There's no A box this campaign because of the while supplies last nature of so many of our products. They figured, you know, it's really kind of not fair to have a sale that's dependent upon purchasing a certain amount, since you may, you know, have $40 picked out and then maybe something has already sold out. So no A box this time just because there's so many other great deals. We do still have our wow deals. We have a couple of those in here. Let's see, what did I see? I think I saw the Rare Pearls perfume on a wow deal for $9.99. And then there was actually a wow deal in some of the jewelry, these earring sets in the wow deal. So we do still have our wow deals, just no A box this campaign, but rest assured the A box, our special deal, special collection of products, $10 with any $40 purchase, is coming back in campaign 7. So you'll have one of those coming up, and keep a watch on the, you know, the A boxes throughout the rest of the year. You'll see a lot more full size products in those. So that just makes them an even better deal coming up. So that is campaign 6 of 2019. Again, that's going to be online Tuesday, February 19th through Monday, March 4th. So if you see any deals in this brochure, you probably want to, you know, hop on the online store, youravon.com/carnold, click on brochure, start flipping through those pages as soon as you can on Tuesday the 19th so that you get your favorites before they're gone. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will see you again in a couple of weeks.